Beep beep, what is up ninjas? My name is Samworld and today we're going to be looking at the ultimate tool for people looking to make tropical house and tropical pop. This is going to be Tropical Revolution, which is going to contain a Serum sound bank, a Silent One sound bank, samples, which is going to contain everything needed to make tropical house and pop, as well as Ableton and FL Studio project files. Now in total we're going to have I think 6 Ableton files and 3 FL Studio ones so that you guys can get inspired from them, study them anyway, use them any way you want, guys. So let's get started with the Serum presets, guys, as I show you some of my favorite ones in this pack. We're gonna have access to bass lines, as you guys know, the very punchy one. With mod builds you can do a lot to the sound, like mono it, add a bit of a punch to it if that's what you're looking. And as we keep going, guys, this pack again is going to contain sustainable bass lines for tropical pop, guys, as well as the punchy ones for the tropical house and also the tropical pop. So if you look here, we have a guitar bass, in case anyone wants to use it as a bass line, as well as 808 for, again, that tropical pop vibe. Can mess with distortion on it if you want more of a greedy bass. And we keep going, guys. We have here one of my favorite bass lines, Jamaica, which and don't be afraid to use these bass lines in high octaves as well, guys, as they are going to be able to be used as plucks and leads for your tropical house drops. If we keep going, guys, we're going to have sustainable ones, more of these kind of bass lines and vice versa. Now, the meat of the pack is going to be in the leads. I'm not going to lie. The leads, there's going to be a ton of them. And they're all going to be used to get that vibe, as you're going to hear. So this one's called 1920 Wine Hit, which utilizes a wine hit that we sampled to get. You can also use it at low octave. Now, if we keep going, we have the Amazon sound. Add a comb filter to it, which is a technique I learned from one of my favorite sound banks of all time that I bought a long time ago. It was a botanical one. And it just makes it sound like it's actually we're in the rainforest. That's one of my favorite sounds there. Amazonia. We're utilizing the comb filter as well, and a flute. If we keep going, we do have access to chords as well that we can use for this type of music. Kalimba style chord. And we can turn them into future bass chords, of course. Just give it a bit of a tack. So a very nice sound, as you guys can see. And there's going to be a lot of leads. We're going to have these formant leads, which is utilized using a formant and then putting a distortion after it. Another one like this. So these are more for the tropical pop people, of course. And as we keep going, we're going to have access to very beautiful sounds that I just heard in some tropical house tunes that I really like this one. So it has a bit of a pitch change, as you can see there, which gives it that emotional vibe. Another guitar, a more higher octave. So as we keep going, guys, we're going to have access to flutes and leads. Let me show you another one which are like my favorite ones in this pack. One of them is going to be the honey one. And when you do that legato on it, it just sounds good. Lead Visa or Vita, which I heard in one of my, one of my producers, one of my friends, Zach Martino's songs. So again, a very, very mellow pack. This is going to be very, very mellow. And of course, we added the Jack U. As you guys can see there. And if we keep going, lead metagas. This one's going to utilize FM with a +5 on one of the octaves that is FMing the main sound to get a very botanical vibe to it. This is going to be more experimental, but I'm sure some of you guys are going to be able to make good use of it. Lead me out. So these are going to be really cool leads that we can use. So if we keep going, Just, you know, the originator lead, which is the standard you guys know. So we're gonna have access to that. The Pan-Flute, of course. That we tend to hear a lot in tropical house. Panama Beach. Turn it into a flute. We can do a lot with the mod wheels. Lead road trip. You know, so we do have a bit saxophone sample. So we can get that vibe, guys. Now, there's going to be so much more that you guys are going to be able to explore, and I recommend you guys go to Evil Sounds to hear a little bit more of the presets in action. But we're also going to have access to, guys, pads, which are going to be very mellow, and you guys know how pads sound like. They're going to be very standard. Very Rhodes type. And then we do have one that sounds like we're going to space. Welcome to, you know, Saturn or something. And as we go along, guys, we're going to have plug. So the pack's really going to give you that tropical sound that you guys are looking for. Now, I really want to speed things up so that you guys can check out some of the samples. In the samples, we're going to have brass stabs, which are going to be some are playing chords and some are just playing solo one note. Someone asked me how to make some of these in one of the videos, and the way you do them is you just play chords with the brass stabs. Now, you don't want to play them like you want to play, let's say, the G minor chord. You're not gonna play the G, the B flat, and the D. You're gonna play just the G and the D, so that you get something that will work as you're transposing it up and down to go with your chord progression. Now, we are going to have access to a bit of drum fills, guys, which are going to be in various BPMs, 100, 105, 110, and 115, which are going to sound like... So there's going to be various styles. Some of them are going to utilize a lot of tropical vibes, and the others are going to be more along the lines of toms, and we have a little bit of everything for everyone there. We're going to have drum hits as well. Now, for the drum hits, we have an 808 folder, which are going to be for those guys making tropical pop. Moke's Up 37, I did sample the one I have right here for you guys. And we're also going to have digital ones, which are made with Silent One and Serum. So they're going to be a little bit of everything for everyone. We're going to have the acoustic kick drum, which are going to sound amazing once you put them in Ableton, and they sound loud. Just perfect. I think it's one of the best acoustic kick drums we've heard. Bongo shots, of course. Recorded here in my studio, and we're going to have access to claps, closed hats. You know, everything really needed to just make a hit, guys. And we're going to have access to snares. We're going to have the future bass kind of snares that they tend to use in tropical pop a bit now, as well as hip-hop ones and standard dance music ones. We're going to have access to drum loops, a total of 10 for 100 BPM, 105 and 110. Okay. Effects, of course, you know, atmospheres. My favorite one is going to be number 8, which is sampling whales. I used it in one of the Ableton project file ones, and I really like the way it sounds. When used with reverb and you mask it a bit well, it sounds amazing. And of course, guitar loops. Top loops. So a lot there, synth one shot, and also vocal one shot. And then utilizing those, we made these vocal one shot loops that you guys can enjoy. I think these are one of the longest ones that it took me a while to make these. I'm not gonna lie. So we're gonna have access to all that, guys, as well as a Silent One soundbank and Ableton One. So make sure to check the pack out over at evilsounds.com, guys. And if you guys feel like it's a right fit, make sure to purchase it. As always, you know, when you purchase a pack, you are supporting this channel. And as always, guys, thank you guys so much for the support over the years. I always say it, but I always mean it. It really does mean a lot to me that you guys find these tools that I make for you guys very useful, and I always love hearing your success stories that comes with using them, as well as using my tutorials you find here on YouTube. With that being said, guys, you guys have a good day, and I hope that you guys enjoyed listening to the Tropical Revolution pack. Take care.